Wasn't she actually your Wasn't she your mentor?
She taught me a few things.
Well, thank you, Candy. Thank you for joining us.
She's a pro.
Hello, little one.
She's a pro.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you, everyone. Hello, sir. Hello, nice to see you. Nice to see you. Hello, brother over here. All right, guys. What's this like? Some sort of a thing going on here? You look too relaxed. You look too relaxed. And unfold your arms. What, you're supposed to be having a good time. This is culture. Okay, nice. I like it. Maybe put your sunglasses on. That's it.
Lovely.
Nice. Hey, David. What do you think?
Whoa, cool, man. He's a cool dude.
Cooler than you? Not cooler than you.
I don't know.
Yeah, I like it. You can take them off if you want to, but that's alright.
Okay, great.
Hello there. Hello. Alright, nice to see you. Hello. I like your motorbike. It's really nice. Hello, everybody. Hello. Where are you leaving? You've got to live. That's not an excuse. She has a baby. She's leaving me for a baby. What are you supposed to do?
Yeah,
Everyone's a critic. Okay, David. What else is happening over here? You want to sit? You can sit there if you want. You can sit there. What is it? Come back. That's it.
Hey, guys.
That's it.
Show you.
That's it. Sit. Okay. Now hold me up. That's it. Hold my legs. All right. Look at me, a sofa made of children. Okay, I'll get them. I get paid to do this. All right. Hello there. Hello. Nice to see you. Hello. Security is here, ladies and gentlemen. Just in case you need it, he's there. Honestly, you could be a bit musclier. I think I made a friend. Okay. Hello. You can sit there if you like. That's all right. Okay, David. It's not in there. That was close. To be honest, for a minute, I thought you were a baby.
Okay.
A bit like him. Alright, okay, maybe let's make this warmed up a little bit, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, I think so.
That'd be nice. Can I ask you a very small favour? We'd like a little bit more audience today, so what I'm going to do is count to 3, and then if you could all clap, whoop, and cheer as loud as you can, everybody in the centre will know a show is about to start. So 1, 2, 3! Okay, that was very good, but it was a bit like we're watching cricket. So how about we do it again, like we're about to watch an amazing show? 1, 2, 3! Yes, I love you, Cardiff. Great set of lungs. Love it. Okay, David, you want to get this started? Okay, wait, let's do this. All right then. Ladies and gentlemen! Boys and girls, tables and chairs, shoes and socks, beards and fannies, welcome to
the amazing 2013 Cardiff Flower and Baking Tray Show!
No, welcome to the
amazing workout with me, David.
Welcome to La Nave Pets Extravaganza! Thank you. But first we will start with some very serious singing.
David, please don't steal my microphone.
Okay, this way, right.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I must apologize for this ridiculous piece of theatre you are all witnessing. You see, I have come here today to Cardiff to watch some serious street theatre as a normal member of the public. What is wrong with you? And you present this kind of nonsense? You call that singing? That is not singing. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I would now like to present to all of you here some real high quality, cultural, highbrow, contemporary, Germanic singing. Would you like to hear some of that? Good. Whoever shouted no, I'm going to sing this song for you anyway. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please enjoy my song. Schieß mich doch zum Mond, lass mich los und sag das was. Come on. Oder war das wieder nur ein Sturm im Wasserglas? Klick, komm her zu mir, schau mich an. Come on, all the ladies. Komm her zu mir, nur ein bisschen. Oh, come on, you know the words. Sieh das nach so eng, Baby, mach dir doch nichts vor. Ich seh dein gebrochenes Herz, es grinst von Ohr zu Ohr. Was auch passiert, es passiert, die Nacht gehört, I love you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Oh, you are too kind, Cardiff. Thank you so much. And now because you're all so clearly, overwhelmingly amazed with that little song of mine, I would now like to sing for all of you now another little number. Please enjoy once again. So, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Okay, Mr. German man. You want to come and interrupt our show if you're singing? Let's hear you sing.
Oh, okay. A moon in your eye, like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
That's amore, yes.
When the stars seem to shine, like you've had too much wine, that's amore.
That's amore. That's amore. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Wait, what have you done to him? He was doing a nice song for everyone then, and you threw him on the floor. What are you doing? Look, put the ladder back where you found it. I'm going to get them up for another song. Hey, guys, come back. Put the ladder back where you found it. It's easy. Why are you bringing it? What are you doing? What are you doing? Bring it. Why are you doing that? No, guys, bring it back. Wait, no, don't look what you're making. No, bring it out of there. Bring it out of there. No. Bring it back. Just get it off the man's head. Get it off his head. Come on, bring it back.
Right, get him up. Get him up. Okay. Hey, get the legs. Get the legs. Get the legs. Get the legs.
Okay, here we go, Cardiff. A little bit of ventriloquism for you all now. Come back up. And there we are. Okay, the skill is in the movement of my mouth and the movement of his lips. Let's try it. Okay. Hello to you there. Would you rather have a sofa instead of the table you sat on? Although it is very nice. How you doing? Have a nice time? Oh yeah, it's good. Oh, it's over there now. And hello to you too. Nice to see you. How are you doing today? No answer at all. That's okay. Okay, do it to them, not me.
I wanna be loved by you, just you, and nobody else but you.
What do you mean, no hands? What else are you doing here? You started it, make him stop!
Get out of me now, all of you! Just get off the stage now! Get away from the performance area. This is ridiculous. Yes, get off, clear off. Do not harass any members of the audience. Madam, are you all right with him sat next to you? Are you sure? If he tries anything, I cannot help you in any way whatsoever. You are on your own. It's like a verbal contract now. Okay? Please accept my sincerest, most heartfelt apologies. You see, I thought we were all expecting some serious cultural theater, and I see this kind of nonsense. Yes, you. So, I have had to take it upon myself to take over this show and to introduce you all to some real high-quality street theater. And I would like to take this moment of holding the microphone to introduce myself to all of you here. My name is Hans. Thank you very much for the warm applause. Oh. Okay, stop clapping. It is just my name. You do not have to clap at my name. Calm down. Now, I would like to start this serious piece of theater off with a little story. I've not even started yet, madam. It gets loads funnier. Shh. A long, long time ago, in a land far, far away from... I'm so sorry about this. You see, I had to check behind me because I thought there was someone stood behind me, but I checked both ways and there's clearly nobody. Excuse me, I'm just trying to speak. Oh, that's disgusting, you horrible man. Listen, just stop all this nonsense. People of Cardiff, I want to start my story.
Okay, David, acrobatic spectacle. Un, a deux, a trois. Okay, oh, David. Uno, dos, tres. Okay, David. Eins, zwei, drei. Oh, okay, David. 7, a 4, a 9. Stop it, David, stop it. There's a child there, stop it. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the finale of the acrobatic spectacle, all the way from Bulgaria, the human flying cannonball. I give you Keith. What was that? Okay, my turn here, please.
But last time you did this, you fell on a child.
This time will be alright, I promise. Right, okay. Here we go. As it differs. Okay, 1, a 2, a 3. Okay.
No, get down! What on earth do you think you're doing? Seriously?
What?
Stop all the nonsense. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now it is time to get back to some serious theater. You may have noticed that I am now carrying in my arms an accordion, and I'm going to dedicate a song to you, madam. The one at the back looking incredibly awkward right now. Yes, I'm afraid I picked you. That's the one! Yet the realization is sinking in. Everyone, look at that lady. That's the one. Okay, find out what her name is. Okay, try. Julie! Yes, Julie! Hello, Julie! In Cardiff. Yes, okay, Julie! I have written a song for you, Julie. It is in fact entitled Julie. So please enjoy my song, Julie. And the rest of you too, of course, but mainly Julie.
This song is terrible. Romano, have you got your little guitar? Get a little guitar. Yes. No, wait.
All right. Okay, this is... Okay, Julie, you have to look at me for this bit, please. Julie, look at me for this bit, please, Julie. Julie, please look at me. Please look at me, Julie. Look at me, please, Julie. Julie! Julie! Look at me! Thank you. Ah, that's better, isn't it? Yes. Aha! A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you ever think that a foot was clever?
Oh,
spending all its time wrapped in leather.
Oh,
Did you ever think that a foot knew better?
Oh,
even though it always tasted like a feta. We are the feet people. We carry the weight of the world. We ain't no chiropodist, so let the feet fly free. Did you ever think that a plug socket was endless, even with its distinct lack of tenderness? Did you ever think that a plug socket had passion, even with its distinct lack of fashion? We
David, please don't steal my microphone again. Hit it, Romano.
fly free. Fly free.
David, don't do that. David, stop it.
Fly free. Fly free. Fly free.
That's it, David. Smile for the people. Smile and jump for the people, David. That's it. Yes.
Thank you very much. Wasn't that lovely? Thank you.
Yes.
All right, back to my serious story, ladies and gentlemen. Hey! Give me my hat back. Give me my hat. Give my hat back to me now. You got my hat. Why did you throw it to him? Why did you throw my hat to him? You clearly did. You were right in front of me. You've got witnesses now. You need to grow up. Where have you put my hat? I needed to do the show.
I haven't seen it anywhere.
Has anybody in the crowd seen when my hat is gone? Everyone's pointing at you. Have you seen when my hat is gone? That baby has a similar hat to mine, but I can't see it anywhere. Listen, I really need my hat to do the show.
Don't put it on the baby. He has nits.
Shh. Listen, I'm trying to sort it out, okay? Just... So. You can wear it because you're all right. No, but listen! I need to find my hat which I cannot see in the audience. Okay. We've established that. Will you please help me find it? Yes. Oh, thank you very much. What are you waiting for? Stop messing around, get up! No, wait! Wait! Why did you do that? Oh.
David, get rid of it, please. Find the bin. Go put it in the bin.
Come on, you horrible man.
Well, just get rid of the banana, please. Put it in the bin or put it somewhere else.
Come on.
Maybe like the...
Has anyone got the bin or
Ask
something
the-
like that?
What?
Oh, my goodness! Why did you do that, you horrible, disgusting man? I'm so sorry about that, madam. What have I told you? Do not throw bananas or fruit in... Listen! I just want to tell my story, all right?
What did I say?
Oh, you stupid...
It's fine. Maybe we can bring him back. We can bring him back.
One day that you say that you care, if you say you love me madly, I'll gladly be there like a puppet on a string. Love is just like a merry-go-round, with all the fun of the fair. One day I'm feeling down on the ground, and then I'm up in the air. Are you leading me on? Tomorrow will you be gone? I wonder if one day that you say that.
Hey, everyone, point and laugh at the German man with his tights around his ankles.
Listen! You are all so disgusting and immature! It is not respectable! Now, please, I'm so sorry about what you're all witnessing here. I would just like to present my serious story to you now. Hello. What are you doing?
Yes,
That's ridiculous!
this is actually quite hard, so a little round of applause for this guy.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is my unicycle. It's not David's. Look, it has my name very clearly on there. Look, Keith. He spends all his money on unitards and lipstick.
It's true.
I bought it, I get to do all the tricks.
Hey, look!
Okay?
Look at him! He's crying now!
I don't know, it's a bald man in a unitard.
Keith, we need to get on with the show. So, to make David happy again, you're going to have to give him the flower.
I'm not giving Dave the flare.
Give David the flower. Come on. Otherwise we'll have this. Come on.
All right. All right.
It's beautiful, Keith. I love it. Would you like to smell it?
Smell it.
Keith, I want my flower back.
Keith, give David the flower back. Yes, give it back.
There's your flower bag, David. You said give it back, I gave it back. David, it was a joke, come on. David, lighten up a bit. I was joking. Oh, he's on a lady, look. He's on a lady. He's mounting a lady. He's mounting her.
You're sure you've had enough of this life.
Listen to me. You don't do it like that. What do you mean you don't do it like that? You do it like this.
Baby, I'm hot just like you love me. I need to love me.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my spectacle is ready. Someone come and take the mic.
What? The unicycle's on fire! Put it out, put it out! Help the thing! No! Everyone, get back, get back! Put the unicycle on the fire out! Oh my goodness, get back, get back! Oh my goodness, put it out! Put the fire out! For goodness sake! Do something about it! Please, what are you doing? Put the fire out! No, Keith! Put the fire out! The fire, you idiot! The fire! Yes, well done, Keith. What? Yeah, well done.
Hey, Keith. I suppose you think you're pretty clever, don't you? Riding around on a little unicycle with the fire coming out the back of it to the Mission Impossible soundtrack? If you think you're so clever, Keith, why don't you ride this unicycle?
Yes. Look. No.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, who would like to see Keith ride the big unicycle?
Keith, listen to them.
All right, okay then, but we might need to encourage him, so please join us in a chant of Keith, Keith, come on, Keith, 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 faster, Keith, 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 Keith,
Almost.
Keith, Keith,
Almost
Keith, 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 Keith. Just for the record, his name is not Keith. It's Mr. Lorraine. Okay, okay, I have it. Okay, who would like to see Humpty Dumpty ride the unicycle?
Yes.
That was about 4 of you. Anybody else? All right.
Come on.
I don't want to do it.
You have to.
I don't want to.
Yes, you do.
Okay, maybe I can do it, but I think I'm going to need some help from like a really strong, really brave, really athletic, really muscular member of the audience, like you. Come on. You definitely fit the criteria.
Yes.
Great. Great. Okay, what's your name?
Daniel.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I have a massive round of applause for my strong, brave, athletic volunteer, Daniel?
Yes, Daniel. Yes.
Okay, Daniel, what I need you to do is I need you to stand just about there and face the unicycle. Can we just measure that up, please?
Measuring.
Perfect.
Whoa, what?
It's perfect. Daniel, I'm going to teach you a little move. Is that okay? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I need you to do this. Is that okay? We'll do it together. Okay, me and you. 1, 2, 3. Yes,
Yes,
perfect.
very good,
Okay,
very good.
now you just stand there, Daniel. You just stand there. Are Daniel's parents here?
Oh. How about we go for coffee now? Like right now. Get you out of the vicinity.
No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine,
Really?
yeah. Yes, this normally goes right.
Yeah, normally.
It's normally fine. Okay, let's just do it. Daniel, you're going to need to concentrate now. Stand there, good, good. Okay, slow and steady.
Just please go slowly, David. That's it.
Whoa.
Yep. That's it. Very nice. We're all on the head. Yes, yes, that's it. Slowly, slowly, David. That's it. Oh.
Daniel, do you remember the move? Yes? 1, 2, 3!
No, David!
So, Daniel, you're going to have to be a little bit quicker than that, because these guys are going to run away on the count of 3, and Daniel, you might have to catch me. Is that okay?
What?
Daniel, I need your commitment at this time. Yes? Yes, Daniel, it's okay, yes? Yes, good!
Oh, I'm leaving now. Goodbye.
Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I need some encouragement from my volunteer Daniel in the form of a slow hand clap. 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa, 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 whoa! I'm doing it! And Daniel was actually going to catch me! Ladies and gentlemen, Daniel!
Wow! Amazing!
Okay, you're milking it a bit now, Daniel. You're yeah. Daniel! Just quickly, if any of you have camera phones or anything like that.
Come on.
Yes, I love it. Okay, but on a serious note, guys, I don't know how to get down.
What?
I'm not jumping.
It's not that high.
It's closer to the ceiling than the floor.
That's your fault.
I'm not falling. Oh, they are my favorite color, but no, I'm not falling into balloons. Keith, what are you doing? Keith, what the hell are you doing, Keith?
I don't be done, David.
Keith, what do you mean?
I want to see me out David down with this.
No. Everyone likes
people.
Everyone likes David. No,
Keith, that's not a good
no,
idea.
don't do it, Keith.
Keith, use the ladder.
Use the ladder, Keith. Use the ladder.
Just be sensible for once in your silly little life.
Ladies and gentlemen, Keith is going to collect the ladder. He will then set the ladder up safely next to me on the unicycle. I will climb down the ladder. At that point, I will take a bow. This will signify the end of the show. You will then all whoop, clap, cheer, go mental. My new girlfriend over there will run forward and kiss me on the lips. It'll be amazing! And then you can carry on. We'd like to thank you very much for being a fantastic audience. Keith, set the ladder up.
Okay, David? I will use the ladder to help you get down. What? Right in your face.
Not in his face, Keith. Don't you even think about doing it. Don't, Roman. No, Keith.
Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. We have been theatre company Le Navet Bête. Thank you for having us. We're from Exeter. This is our 3rd time here at Blush, and we love it here in Cardiff. The audience has been fantastic. Once again, we are theatre company Le Navet Bête. You can put that into Google and find all about us. We do stuff all over the country. And please do stick around. There's loads of great stuff on this weekend. But if we don't see you again, have a wonderful weekend and good night.
Thank you.